New information tonight. More than 2,000 people have died when a powerful earthquake devastated Morocco. As ABC's Tom Sophie Barrage reports, these numbers expected to rise once rescuers reach hard-hit remote areas.
Residents in Marrakech just starting to assess the damage caused by the most powerful earthquake to hit Morocco in 120 years. 6.8 magnitude quake sent people fleeing from homes and restaurants in terror late Friday. This camera capturing the moment the quake struck. People running for safety as dust and debris rains down from above.
There are fears of aftershocks.
One person suffered a minor injury when Zahir Muqtafi's house was destroyed by the quake. Thank God there were no other people here, he says. Their fate would have been death. It happened in Morocco's Atlas Mountains, the quake's epicenter about 45 miles south of Marrakech, and it could be felt more than 200 miles away in Casablanca. Many buildings in the area near the epicenter were severely damaged or destroyed, not designed to withstand earthquakes.
There was a lot of damage that happened to a lot of buildings. Some of them are mosques, some of them are houses. A lot of communities got hurt.
A vast search and rescue operation now underway. Rescuers digging through the rubble, searching for any survivors. Residents in this small village already burying the dead. A family of 6 killed by the quake, this man says. Condolences pouring in from all around the world, including the leaders at the G20 summit in India. Several countries have offered to send in aid and rescue teams, though the Moroccan government has not yet formally asked for assistance, a step required before outside crews can be deployed. Tom Sophie Barrage, ABC News, Marrakech.
The city rocked by the earthquake has a population of almost 1 million people.